Your mouth big door.
Well, if a compartments.
Now that you should have said what a room.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So today I have Shami and I have
Mommy.
As you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing the Who Knows Me Better video. It was suggested, so I said okay, yes, why not? So yeah,
Ready to win.
anyway, so I'm doing part 1 on my channel. It's up the questions.
To win it.
The questions in this video, they're about me and they should know, like they should answer. And then for hers, it's going to be
About me.
So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So let's go ahead and jump into the questions.
Who do you think are going?
Guys, if you want to see this wig, a video is up on the video.
Don't
on
avoid
the
the
channel.
question. Who do you think are going?
I don't know who are going. What the hell? Key points. Alright. So the first question is, what's my favorite color? So they're writing it down on the paper. It's not like, it's not a speed thing. Is it a speed thing?
No, it's not a speak.
Alright, no, it's not a speed thing. Last time we do this, you know.
You change.
I got roasted. Everybody, I'm now more to play with so I'm more to play with so I'm safe again.
Don't cheating, mommy. I see your eyes over here now.
Alright.
Well, these are not really colors. They would say,
Well,
they would say they are shades.
What is
What are people for write it?
Red, black, oh. Black and white.
Black/white. Really
Well,
black. She used to wear black a lot.
Me get the pint still. I'll go on. In a real life, me get the pint.
Oh, well, what you feel
You get it partially. Me can get half a point. It's black and red, and recently I really like yellow/mustard.
I never know that.
You never know it's a red then?
No.
You never know it's a red?
I know
Wow.
about black, but see, she wear like a
Alright,
white
so
now.
She get half pint.
Yeah,
Because
she
she
get
wear
half.
well, I know color
Get
in her
half
shade.
point. So mom half.
May I keep tracking on me right
And
now?
Sham get 1 point. Alright, next question is, which genre of music is my go-to? Like, if I just feel like whatever, like what I will quickly run to, what kind of, which genre?
Dancer.
The two wanna get it right. The two wanna get it right. Yeah, for true.
Yes, I know what other genre could they make it sound odd.
Then, if you know it, you know it. Alright,
Next
so the
question.
two I know have that. The next question is my favorite wig look. Not wig style, wig look.
No, what you mean by look?
Wig meaning texture. You can describe it even further to be more on point. Black curly. I mean, the two wanna get it right pretty much. Yeah.
Oh, come here, say I pull out what
You
else.
go deep, do a black
I
curly.
say.
Can you have blonde curly too, so me have to make it no
If the black curly na that, you never see me in no black curly ear.
For your birthday, of course, I did have amber blonde curly.
That's not blonde, that's a brown. But anyway, next question is, what makes me laugh? What makes me laugh? What makes me laugh? What makes me happy? No, wait, what do you mean?
Well, Anna, wait.
What makes you happy?
What makes me laugh? It not for me not way about say it, but
Alright,
just like we always a chill.
Tap the eyes
Like-
out.
You done?
I want mommy to write a paragraph.
Going out.
Make me laugh. It make me laugh. Do I like it? Make me laugh.
VS.
Oh my gosh, that's one thing. That's one thing. We get the points.
But
Instagram video.
It's not like limited to Instagram video, but just like seeing a funny video then. That's just a simple thing, just something simple, you never know.
No.
Alright, shall we get that point then?
Women have 4 points so far. Girl, I'm going with 6.
Alright, keep the score. Number 5. What's one thing I fear a lot? A lot. Like, think simple. Like, one thing I'm a fear. And then, like, one thing I'm a fear.
Them even as to me, alright? What mommy say?
Mr. This.
House burned down. Mommy, but
you don't know what's me ever run even the bat could have small songs. Me run gone.
Mommy, you should have known.
Mommy, you should have known. Yo, mommy the first person me call. Mommy, kill
That
it.
is so true. One little whimsy bat, one little bean is something she run down and tear down the house.
Oh my gosh, shall me get that point there? Watch her.
Don't play with it.
What am I? Early bird or night owl?
What?
Early bird or night owl?
Night owl.
Eat me that right.
Wait, mommy, get it cut. Wait, I don't really.
A night owl.
I know.
But you know for say to write it.
Alright, so which one we get the night owl point then? Make sure y'all keep my points, you know. Oh, alright. That last time, them people thief me last time, and I call the name but one.
Wow, Shami. Anyways, next question is number 7. Name one of my dream cars. Just one. Something like. Just one. That. You have to be more specific.
Benz GLE.
No, girl. No. Benz GLE is not no dream car for me. Sorry. That one there no dream car for me. I feel like that more. Try to get it wrong. Sorry. Try to get it wrong. It's really, I've been thinking along the lines of Porsche. Remember me even tell you this one day, and Benz, the G-Wagon, Porsche. Like,
you know what you just want to talk about this dream car?
No, I never used to that. She talk about Porsche true.
I'm talking about Range Rover at one point, but then they kind of stop off.
No, Range Rover,
for true. GLE girl, I like the GLE. Me not lie.
Stop
no,
it.
Me
Done.
wait, now me not buy one GLE. Me not lie. It's just not like my dream car. It's not
Next
it.
question, man. Sure,
You're talking too much, man. Jesus.
Ning, na me ears. Come on.
Actually, you don't get it. Actually, you don't get it.
But I'm not going to chill down.
No, but tonight, but may I explain to the people them say if them say we want in the future, me love it. I would buy it. It's just not my dream car. Anyway, so nobody not get none for that. I'm about to put the 0. Name one of my worst habits.
A paragraph, mommy, alright? Boxer? You're full of don't you have it, no?
I said one though. One.
Look.
Going
to the bathroom before going.
Oh yes.
Yes.
That's so
worst dirty habit that you have. Going to the bathroom before going anywhere.
It's
and actually before every 15 minutes.
No, it's one of the years so and you have to go to my
mouth.
She'll go be the
no, because it's
anyway,
supposed to empty your bladder before you go.
No, I mean I'm
every
not
time
like,
so.
No, it's sick me.
No, my sick John Christopher. What's my answer here? Chewing your tongue? That's a bad habit?
You know like it. Me never know that.
That is not one of our worst habits. It's a worst. This going to the bathroom before going anywhere.
You got it wrong.
We are going somewhere far. We are going somewhere important. Bathroom. Me I come there. You get ready now. Me I come there. Bathroom.
Yo, anywho, alright, mommy, alright.
So just a rabbit in, so.
I choose Shami. You never know.
Alright, the next question is, would I rather a standard size luxurious house or an extravagant house? Mommy right extravagant, Shami right standard. I prefer the standard meaning standard size. But extravagant in decor, but what I mean by extravagant are the size.
No, what? You never said that. You never said that.
No, I say standard luxurious house. I never just say standard house.
One thing with that game, they put people in them feelings. So deep in my feelings.
That's sleepy people wait them come wake me up.
Excuses.
Number 10. Which book am I currently reading? Me take my time, like me just read 2 pages today, left it and then go back. But Sue don't read it. I'm not that much of a reader. I'm really not a reader, but the book's spicy.
If I did Shami bite.
No, Shami is a reader.
No,
Shami is a reader. I'm not a reader. The book just spicy. That's all. Okay, so the two of them get 1 for that. Number 11. Am I A dreamer, B a hustler, C both? Shami got it correct! Shami put C, both! Mommy put hustle alone. I believe I'm both. But there's enough time you know in a dream. In a dream all the time. Not true? So,
I don't need to ask her, mommy, she gets it wrong.
Come ask me the question.
Me always in there a dream.
Why do I feel like mommy going to come out strong for me one time? Yeah, they won't move every time.
Mommy, I'm going to done me for that one. Alright, okay. Number 12. What kind of person am I? This is our next one. Like, give me an example, like realistic, pessimistic, or optimistic.
Optimistic.
Mommy, why are you about the question? The answer them.
You think she's optimistic? Me, I think she's optimistic.
So, right, what is the answer?
Realistic and pessimistic.
Mommy put miserable optimistic.
I get 100 points for that one there.
Miserable optimistic.
No, she asked what kind of person am I before she did explain something there. I say, first thing come to mind. Miserable for true.
I'm miserable for true. I'm not afraid of that. I'm miserable. I'm going to tell them. True, I will miserable.
No,
I think she is a realistic pessimist.
Explain.
Because when, like, say if a situation come up,
yeah,
you only look on the logic of it and how it can go bad. You never can see the good side of how it can.
Not true. I always look on the worst.
Yeah, she always, say things are going to work out, things are going to happen.
And things work out.
Things work out.
Huh.
The two get
the point.
Yeah.
The two wanna get the point. Alright.
Yeah, one confused person. Realistic, pessimistic, and optimistic.
Alright.
Realistic.
Number 13. How do I like to relax?
Top thief, skinner. I really don't know if I hold up the paper, they might see when I write.
I want that too. I don't know. That's what I want to tell them. Wait, let me see it now.
Go nice place.
That's the one. That's the one. Mommy, relax. Mommy put for go out.
What?
And Shami put.
So one
no, I like to go out. No, but that's not relaxing. That's having fun. Not saying that when you're relaxing you're not having fun, but it's more chill, you know? For true, I'll drink wine and watch a movie, watch TV, watch YouTube, watch Netflix, and that's all. What? Period. Gang. Okay. Mommy, I gonna rub you out, you see? Lord of mercy.
Good. Mommy can't rub me out. Tell you she gonna rub out to them.
Okay, alright, cool. Number 14. What would I grab first if the house was on fire?
Makiaki. Is there a camera? I don't know.
I probably grab a meeting about that too, but I think she will grab the car and left the camera.
I go grab my bag.
True.
I go grab my bag. My bag have some of the most, not all, but some of my most important stuff. No, the car key I got the rightest up on the way out. Trust me.
It's the first thing.
Chum me can walk. I don't know. I don't know get it. I just say go alive. So the two I want to get 0 on that. Number 15, partying or Netflix? Which one would I go with first? Still wanna get it. Netflix. Party not even keep, so like no more Netflix. Anyway, so let's check the scores. 11. You get 11. What? Shut up now. Mommy, you get 7.5. Eh?
Good dance for them, girl. You want good dance for them. Walk out with your friends.
Yeah, 7.5. Eh?
Yeah, good girl. See me
back, boy.
Mommy, I can't get one.
So me feel good.
Mommy, take her and lose that shit. Alright.
I am a mature person. That's what
well, me,
competition.
Immature bad. This girl.
Come see if mommy not gonna pull her weight, I'll win my one. I swear I'm gonna beat her.
Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to drop your suggestions down below. They're highly appreciated. Head on over to Shami's channel now. Don't forget to check out Cooking with Lucia for whatever she has coming over there. Go ahead and check it out. Also subscribe and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.